And since he's using my phone, I have to use my camera. I'm going here to Maple Leaf Square, which I think is a mall, which is beside this arena. And what's in here?
It's a very approachable, very lovely, light, crisp beer. So I recommend literally anyone who comes in and they say this is their first time here, tell them you gotta start with the Pilsner. You gotta start with the beer that made us the company that we are. Want a Pilsner then? For you?
I'll try also Pilsner.
Pilsner?
Yeah.
2 pints of the Pilsner? Great.
It's good. What's going on?
A few moments later.
A low tolerance for beer. She's a lightweight. She likes it very much. Look at that. It's equivalent to 2 bottles. Look at her. You know she's drunk. She's squinting her eyes even more. Now she looks Chinese.
Dito kaya I'm Japanese.
She looks Japanese. You're going to eat. She needs to finish that in the next 2 minutes. Otherwise, Vanya will take it from her.
I just didn't not yet.
Look at her. The way she's talking to the kid, she's like. She's like, where is the train station? Cannot find it.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna put that on my vlog.
Well, you have a video to choose from, so. Look at that, beers to gram.
It's a good beer.
Expensive.
Expensive. How much is this?
For 2 beers, it was like
$8
18 Canadian, so it was like 14 US. So 7. I mean, actually, to be honest, not that bad. All right, I'm closing.
Wow, this is a place where you really have to go to if you wanna be drunk. Right, love? Their tour to the brewery will be $12 per person, so we didn't get it. But the beer is awesome. That's the place. Right there. And then we're going to an Indian place to eat dinner. I'm still alive. Where's my scarf? I only one scarf.
I was a step. There was a step.
We're both drunk.
I am happy. Hello, Canada.
Canada! Yeah.
Next up, we're going to Montreal and not speak English.
Uh-huh.
This is French.
I'm gonna visit Ate Sarah
Next time we'll be back here for at least a week.
Yeah.
Getting free rent, free accommodation.
From my cousin,
for
seriously,
food.
no.
Exchange for food. Why?
I'm shy. But again, thank you so much to Paris family for this amazing stay and tour in Canada. Thank you so much. Look at the tower.
Yes, thank you very
Where's the
much.
tower? Ayun.
Who's listening for letting us stay here?
I can speak English much better because I'm drunk.
Oh my God, that's what you need for your work.
Oh, I really need to be drunk every
Hello,
day.
sir. How you doing?
Come on, I'm not yet.
You
don't-
would like to meet me for dinner tonight?
I haven't
Yes.
signed a contract yet. Don't jinx
That's
it.
okay. Yes.
Look at the
Let's
tower.
meet
It's very
tonight.
nice.
I know where you live.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my
I
gosh.
know I have no accent. It's because I'm doing the Pilsner from Canada.
It's pretty awesome.
It's good.
I like it. Love it. Recommend it. You have to go there.
Is that right?